Exploring the city, understanding city sights. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase that you might encounter while traveling or learning about different cities. The phrase is city sights. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what this phrase means but also how to use it in your conversations. So, let's dive in. The phrase, city sights, refers to famous or notable locations in a city. These can be historical landmarks, famous buildings, parks, museums, or even popular streets and neighborhoods. When people talk about seeing the city sights, they mean they are going to visit or are interested in these prominent attractions. To give you a clearer picture, let's consider some examples. If you're in Paris, the city sights would include the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre Museum, or the Champs-Élysées. In New York, it would be the Statue of Liberty, Times Square, or Central Park. These are places that are often associated with the city and are of interest to both tourists and residents. Now, let's learn how to use this phrase in sentences. For instance, yesterday, we spent the whole day exploring the city sights. Do you have any recommendations for must-see city sights in Rome? My favorite part of traveling is discovering new city sights and experiences. Notice how the phrase is used to describe activities related to visiting or discovering these popular places in a city. There are variations of this phrase too. For example, sightseeing in the city means the same as exploring the city sights. Tourist attractions is another way to refer to city sights, emphasizing their popularity with tourists. And that's a wrap on our journey through the phrase, city sights. Remember, when you hear or use this phrase, it's all about those special, iconic places that give a city its unique character. I hope this video helps you understand and use city sights confidently in your English conversations. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.